Hey everyone, if your faucet or shower head looks like this with some grime, some gunk, it can come in various different colors at the end of your faucet or shower head, and maybe you're noticing that your water flow isn't as strong. In this video, I'll be showing you how to easily remove that gunk without any harsh chemicals and instead with regular household items. Here are the 4 items I used. Because the deposits are primarily calcium carbonate, magnesium hydroxide, or calcium sulfate, so you need to have some kind of acid to help dissolve that. In this case, I opted with a household weak acid, which is vinegar. You can use either white vinegar. In this case, I use apple cider vinegar because I think it's less strong of a smell compared to white vinegar. If you don't have vinegar lying around, if you have Coca-Cola, you can also use that as well. And I have some tape. You want to have some good strong tape. I'm using Scotch tape here, but you can also use like duct tape. You want to have some kind of bag that's watertight so that you can put the vinegar or solution in and then tape it up. And finally, you need some kind of physical abrasive like an old sponge or an old toothbrush. Because we're using a relatively weak acid here, we're going to have to budget some time, a few hours to maybe even overnight for our solution to take effect. So make sure you plan ahead accordingly. Make sure you have some other means of getting water if you need to, and also let any of your fellow housemates, roommates know that you're doing this so that they're aware. Now the first thing you want to do is make sure that your bags are actually watertight and there's no leaks. I made a mistake of not checking this first time and I made a big mess. So just take the time to quickly run some water in it and make sure that everything is held tightly. Next, go ahead and fill your bag with your solution, in this case my apple cider vinegar. You actually don't need too much, you just need enough to fully submerge the area with the scum. So actually in this case I'm overdoing it a little bit here, but you get the idea. So with the kitchen faucet head, I'm just making sure that the bag goes all the way around and then I am securing it with some tape. And just to be safe, I decided to pull it out a little bit and let it rest on the countertop like this versus letting it hang freely in the air. Same story here with my bathroom faucet. I went ahead and poured in some vinegar in this little baggie and secured it with the tape. So then I let the two sit overnight and check out what I see the next morning. You can see quite a bit of the deposit is found right here on the bottom of the solution now. So removing the tape, maybe using some scissors to help you out, here is the result. If there's still some deposits left like this, don't worry. All you need is to get that abrasive sponge or toothbrush to scrub it off, and it really shouldn't require too much pressure because you already used the chemical to do most of the job. And here you go, this is the actual final result for both the kitchen sink faucet and the bathroom faucet. And notice that because we didn't use any harsh chemicals, there's no damage to my actual hardware. You may also notice that your water pressure or water flow is much higher now as a result of unclogging those openings. So if you found this video helpful, please give it a like, greatly appreciate it, and subscribe for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.